Now that we've finished our embossing, we're going to go ahead and complete this card. And I've chosen the Design Series paper with chocolate chip and this rose red in it. And as you can see, I've got a matching band to go underneath it. And right now, the pinks and the browns together are really hot. So if you're out looking for clothes or if you're out looking for a card for your loved one, check out those colors. And what I want to do now is go ahead and stamp love across the bottom of this card, because after all, it is a Valentine's Day card. And I'm just going to place my card using my grid paper to line it up and then stamp on the bottom third the word love. All right, so that's set. And now I'm going to make it and put my band on with my 2 layers. And the reason you use layers in card making is to give the card depth and to make it pop. You want your card to be exciting. You don't want just a flat, boring card. So I'll put a little adhesive on the back of my designer paper. And again, I'm just going to use my grid paper to help me line it up. I've got a 1/4 inch border on both sides. Press that down. And the next thing I'm going to do is tie a ribbon around the border.